Alright, we're back at the OC Fair with a girlfriend. We just ate. Usually they always have some kind of art display here. Last year was kind of cool. It's like what, record albums, right? Like the art of album covers. This time I guess it's gonna be the art of VHS.
Yep.
Cool. Hey, here's the entrance. It's one of the hangars. It's Rewind VHS Revival. Alright. Actually, it was kind of fun, like going to like movie theaters and like picking up movies based off like the cover art. Remember that?
Yeah.
You go to like the 99-cent rental store. They always have like I don't know. The horror ones are always the funnest.
Yeah.
All right, Rewind. All right, blockbuster shit. Funny. All right. Totally. All right. San Andreas. I had that game. They charge like 50 cents if you didn't rewind the damn VHS. Remember that? Oh, we got Batman. Spawn. Fuck yeah. RoboCop 3. Actually, that was trash. I didn't like that one. Wait, are these actual VHS? Oh, wait. Oh, my bad. So do not touch. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Alright, Out for Justice, I remember that one. Under Siege, I remember that one. Above the Law, Mark for Death. Yeah, I like Mark for Death.
But the best section is
The
over
Ring.
here because it's the horror section.
Of course, Desperado.
The Dracula.
Yeah, Night of the Living Dead.
Silence of the Lambs, The Lost Boys. The scariest movie
The
of
Cell.
all time is The Cell. I don't care what anybody says.
Yeah, that was-
That's the scariest of all time.
Yeah, this movie was fun. Death Becomes Her. Yeah. The total nostalgia. That's right. Dirt Diggler. You watch that one? Dirt Diggler?
Oh, Boogie Nights?
Yeah.
No, I wasn't watching.
What's this? Oh, the snack area.
In the indies, like I loved this movie.
Welcome to the Dollhouse.
Tortilla Soup.
Tortilla soup.
We got David Lynch here with Blue Velvet.
I believe it was one of those movies like it was like accidentally cool to watch. Yeah, Crocodile Dundee. Funny. The Bodyguard. Alright. Oh look baby, Dirty Dancing. Like those like foamy cases are very memorable, right? Seriously, I must have seen like 90% of these fucking movies. Yeah, I wasn't a big fan of Jackie Brown. Casino, alright. Commando, fuck yeah. This movie introduced me to heavy metal. Seriously, that Cannibal Corpse scene was great. Sister Act, oh god.
Kindergarten Cop.
Seriously, I've seen like just about every fucking movie here.
Uh-huh.
Crazy.
Same.
The Web Bandits. Alright. The Game, Michael Douglas, I like that one. Of course, also Clayton Eastwood movies. Ooh, Fight Club. The fuck? Alright. Yeah, we went to like a not live. They just played it in front of a giant theater and people were interactive. Hollywood Bowl, yeah. They're still the same-ish. No, actually, no. I prefer the new like seats with actual recliners in here. Yeah, definitely the Frida. You know when they're fucking like old and like people spill their soda on it and all that shit. The Wiz. Ironically, this is another movie I haven't seen, Gone with the Wind, and that's like a classic for most.
The time.
Airplane, of course, it did. Yep, one of my favorite movies, Pulp Fiction and Jaws. Well, my girlfriend loves Jaws more.
Jaws is wonderful.
Oh yeah, Jaws. Face Off. Talk about fucking strange ass movies. Yeah. It was actually a good movie, Mambo Kings. So these are all airbrush from the looks of it. It's like airbrush art. Yeah. Yeah, I guess there's a company right there, Art Sign, making these. But yeah, it looks like they're airbrushed. Some airbrush art. Yeah. Of course, Alfred Hitchcock shit. Right on. I did not see that one. Evita. Was this video game cover art? Oh. I have not seen these ones. Bump fights, I've seen a few, but the VHS was more sports and shit. Nah. Of course, the stupid Faces of Death and all that shit. It'd be funny if they have that. Do they have the Faces of Death section here? That'd be funny. Oh, seriously? Yeah, people doing like the artwork. Tom and Mitch have a hair drawn and they got the compressor. That's cool. More artists. Alright. Well, there's the info. Trying to get the information if you guys want to give this guy a follow. Pokemon, the first movie. Alright. Yeah, neat. This movie was pretty fucked up for a Disney movie. I hated the ending though.
Well, same with this one.
It was sad as fuck.
Yes. Remember when the mom dies?
It's been a while. I just remember like them killing the T-Rex.
Oh man.
Well, yeah, the mom always dies in fucking Disney movies.
Emotional.
Okay. Another movie I need to watch. Tank Girl. You met her? Oh, The Mask. All right.
What's her freaking name?
Jumanji.
Lori.
Lethal Cowboy. The fuck is this? Is that Jenna Ortega? Saving Flora.
Her?
The fuck? Saving Flora. Alright, did not know. Oh look, ass. Sorry. Haha, very much right. Moulin Rouge. Wait, what? What's this? It's like it's a bar area. Speakeasy. Alright. cool. I don't drink, but we're chilling. It's so hot in here. Yeah. Moulin Rouge. I think we can enter here. Oh, okay, they just play the movie here. Yeah, if you're going to want to come and hang out, watch a movie, have a beer or two, or 8. And you got a comfy sofa. Of course, got to have the Kung Fu movies. Some Bruce Lee. This we do the karate chop. Three Ninjas. Oh, I remember this. Stupid. Yeah, I remember fucking Hulk Hogan was a bad guy. You ever watch this?
What was the first one?
That was like based off of that was like an actual Kung Fu movie from China. Like 3 Asian kids.
Yeah.
It's actually really good. Like they made this thing.
Only the best movie ever.
City of Angels. It's like this movie like had like 4 sequels and they all suck. Like this is like the only one that's good. And he had to die making this. It sucks. That's cool. They got the black light in the background. They went all out with like the photo ops here. Okay, right on. Of course, I've seen this one, Saturday Night Fever, with fucking John Travolta. And the spy who shagged me. Blade Runner. I remember watching the first one, but I didn't really pay attention to it.
Yeah, same.
You know, I haven't seen the second one. Because of the nipples, gotta watch this again. Oh, these are cool. Yeah, I remember The Golden Child. I like that one. That was actually a good movie. Hitman. That was like random. Oh, Darkman. Yeah, it was actually pretty good. It was like stupid comic book villain type of shit. Like, Gremlins. Arachnophobia. E.T. This is my favorite movie when I was a kid. I liked E.T. Blazing Saddle. More Batman. Alright. I'm still a huge fan of the first one. That's just like the right tone for it, you know? The second one was cool too. I haven't seen The Dark Knight. I know, give me that look. I'm a big Quentin Tarantino fan, but I just, for some reason, have not seen that one yet. We need to watch this one, Eye of Dogs. We like Wes Anderson, or I don't know. It's like we like him, but we watch his movies. They're just like so obscure. We're like,
I didn't like the most recent one.
Yeah,
Venetians.
the Venetians, yeah. This one was good, the Grand Budapest. I like that one. The Night Professor was a shit. You know, a lot of people like Natural Born Killers. I was not a big fan of it. I don't know, I didn't like it too much. Yeah, I remember I'll pick movies depending on who's on the cover. I mean, I like John Candy movies growing up. And being a kid, Chevy Chase was funny also. Till you got older and found out he's an asshole in person. Alright, that's basically the entirety of this place here. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. We're gonna spend more time here at the Aussie Fair, but I want to make this its own separate video. That way I can show you more without like just showing you highlights and cutting out stuff. So let's see what else I can film to make it into another video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.